images right now on our screens. This seems to be from the Gandhi Hospital. So any moment now you can expect Allu Arjun to be making his way out. Just look at the kind of security out there. The police leaving nothing to chance, knowing that there will be fans who will gather the instant they find out that Allu Arjun is there. There you have him waving to all of them, thanking everyone for gathering, and you can see him waving to everyone there, thanking them for coming together at the Gandhi Hospital. Brief glimpse there of Allu Arjun as he's escorted amid a sea of security. Everyone's got their phones out trying to click a picture of the superstar, but like I said, he looks calm and composed. He says, however, that he wasn't allowed to even finish his breakfast, and that's why you have that entire sequence of him sipping his coffee, saying, finally my coffee is done, and we can go now. So that's Allu Arjun now. You can see there, he comes out from the Gandhi Hospital, so that means his medical check has been completed. Next stop will be the Nampally court. That's where the police will be seeking his custody officially. Now, there's a lot of questions and the huge debate that's been triggered by Allu Arjun's arrest about whether it's right to blame the superstar for what happened with regards to the stampede on December 4th. But nevertheless, he's been booked right now by the police. He's named in that FIR. He faces charges of culpable homicide not amounting to murder, voluntarily causing hurt as well. One of those culpable homicide is a non-bailable offence. So we'll have to see what really plays out in court. Now there's a petition that he's filed seeking that his arrest be held off till Monday. And that's because if he's not provided any relief, it means that he will remain in custody over the weekend. To avoid that, Allu Arjun has essentially asked for his arrest to be held off till Monday. But there is a very, very dramatic sequence that we've just played out for you of Allu telling the cops that what they did is simply not right. According to him, the cops landed up right outside his bedroom saying, and he says that in the video, he says, you can't expect me to just step out of my bedroom and directly come with you. I asked you if I can change my clothes. He was, by the way, given permission to do that. So the white sweatshirt that you see, where you've got the Pushpa 2 dialogue written saying, flower nahi, fire hai, he's clearly intentionally chosen to wear that as well. So even as, he was allowed to change his clothes, according to him, he's saying that I wanted to send someone out, you didn't allow me to. I wanted to finish my breakfast, you didn't allow me to. You can't expect that I'll step out of my bedroom and immediately come with you. So there he says that what you're doing, I can't blame you. I can't find fault in that. You're doing your duty. But how you've done it is not correct. So that is Allu Arjun sending across a very, very clear message to the cops that he doesn't agree with the manner in which he's been arrested in this particular case. But this is just moments ago as he stepped out of the Gandhi Hospital amid a sea of security, waving to the crowds, thanking them for their support, thanking them for coming together in large numbers. Abdul Bashir is still with us for more details. Abdul, this is now exploding. You've got industry veterans all gathering at Allu Arjun's residence. His uncle Chiranjeevi is also there right now. The family, the Tollywood First family, as they're referred to, all coming together to stand in solidarity with Allu Arjun at this time. We're getting in more images of Allu Arjun right now. This, I presume, is from the Gandhi Hospital where he went for the medical check. And next he will be taken to court. But you can hear that in the hospital. There are people whistling and trying to catch a glimpse of Allu Arjun as he's taken there for the medical test. Absolute chaos there. Look at those scenes. Everyone's gathered in large numbers. They've actually put up ropes, almost barricades there to stop people from, in fact, gathering all around the superstar. This is a hospital. I'll remind you, this is the Nampally court. My apologies for that. This is the court where Allu Arjun has now reached. So the hearing expected any time now. Okay, we'll confirm the location for you in just a bit. My sincere apologies for that. But these are images of Allu Arjun leaving from the location with huge fanfare. Look at the crowds that have gathered. And by the way, this is just information that's just trickled in that he's at the Gandhi Hospital. And within that time, this kind of crowds have gathered, which is why for security, for the police, it's an absolute nightmare. Now imagine this. This is what's playing out as he's been arrested. Imagine what would have happened on the day of the screening of Pushpa 2 when Allu Arjun would have turned up there. For anyone who doesn't understand the superstardom of Allu Arjun, these images are just a glimpse of what really he means to Telugu cinema, what really he means to Tollywood, and for so many fans there. You can see so many people gathering there, just attempting to wave to him, catch a glimpse of him, click pictures of him. And this is as he is being escorted out there, looking calm, composed, speaking to some of them, smiling at all of the people who've gathered there. Let's take this across to Abdul Bashir for more details. Abdul, like I was mentioning to Apurva earlier, there will be a lot of questions asked of the Telangana police on the manner in which Allu Arjun has been arrested. You're already seeing a lot of comments coming in saying that, look, Allu alleges that they reached right up to his bedroom.
Well, yes, one side we see that Allu Arjun was very much disappointed the way the police arrived, and they did not even allow him change his clothes, have his breakfast is what he mentioned. But ultimately, he was allowed to change his clothes later. But what we see is that a letter of Sandhya Theatre is also out, wherein they have sought permission for the particular program and also bandobast for the special screening on December 4th. So what we see in the letter is that this permission was sought on 2nd December to the Assistant Commissioner of Police, Chikkarpalli Police Station. Now here they have requested for arrangements of bandobast on 4th and 5th. At the intervening night of 4th and 5th for the Sandhya 70mm theatre of release of Pushpa 2. Now here the police who had claimed that they have not received any permission or information about this particular program is where the Sandhya Theatre has released a letter stating that there was permission sought for the bandobast. Now here what we have to see is that the charges that have been imposed against Allu Arjun, do they really apply on this particular case? Now Allu Arjun was there, the regular procedure was seemed to be have been followed when we read the letter here which has requested for bandobast. Now the police here could not handle the situation is what the opposition has been saying. The authorities had no idea